Alright, data detectives, let's unlock the secrets of Power BI reporting. Whether you're brand new or just want to level up, I'm about to show you how to build a killer Power BI report in just a few steps. First, let's grab your data. Click Get Data, pick your source, Excel, SQL, wherever your data lives, and hit load. Now don't just stare at those tables, let's make sense of them. Clean up your columns, remove the junk, and use Power Query to shape it the way you want. Next, relationships. Your tables need to talk to each other, drag and drop to connect them, and you'll unlock the real power of your data. Now, visuals. Drag a field onto the canvas, and boom, a chart appears. Try stacked bars, line graphs, maps, mix it up until your story pops. Want to impress? Add slicers so viewers can filter by date, product, or region. Play with colors and themes, make it look sharp but keep it clear. And don't forget titles and labels. If it isn't obvious, nobody will get it. When you're ready, hit publish and share your insights with the world, or at least your team. Remember, a great report doesn't just show numbers, it tells a story. And with Power BI, you're not just reporting, you're revealing secrets hidden in your data. Go ahead, fire up Power BI, and start building your masterpiece. Your data's got a story. It's up to you to tell it.